Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gemini, a crypto exchange founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, announced the launch of an initial public offering of 16.67 million shares of Class A common stock. Gemini is planning to sell the shares priced between $17 and $19 per share to raise up to $317 million. Nestlé has fired CEO Laurent Frexy after just a year in the job for concealing a romantic relationship with a subordinate, throwing the Swiss food giant into a leadership crisis that compounds a share price slump and slowing sales. Oil prices rose $1 a barrel after the US imposed sanctions targeting Iran's oil revenue stream and ahead of an OPEC Plus meeting on Sunday, where analysts expect the group will not unwind remaining voluntary cuts.
The sterling dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.